Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 14x, and let me show you how to use codes. At first, open your phone dialer. Now enroll keypad, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *06# And here we've got device information with email and serial number included. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##225 *##. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, each event from every calendar that is connected with your device will be displayed right here. So here you've got the amount, and then you can check the details. And the last code that I would like to show you today is *##426 *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, if you want to get a bit more knowledge, mark advanced view. And here you've got it. So these are all codes that I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.